Thank you so much for clicking on to my video today. I am Van Chill Journey. This is another episode of Car Chat. I'm just checking in to see what you're up to today. It's 80 degrees here in South Jersey. Beautiful day, blue sky, sunny, nice little breeze. This is my type of weather. Yes, indeed. So I just wanted to know what you was up to today. I'm actually on my way to a doctor's appointment. Fun, right? No. But anyway, let me know what you're doing today. I hope you're having fun. I hope you're being safe. And if nothing else, be blessed. Don't stress. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.